Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. Once again, after a long time, I'm here with a new video where I can guide you how you can earn free cryptocurrency on Binance. So how you can do it, let's get started. Binance is one of the top exchange websites where billions of users are trading daily. Even you can stake your coin to get free coin. The first step is to come to Binance and log into your account. After that, simply go to here and click on Launchpad. On Launchpad or Launchpool, here you can see the new coin Automata. Automata is not listed on Binance yet. We have 19 minutes to list the coin on Binance. So here you have 3 coins. You need to choose one of them. Even you can stake your 3 coins if you have on your account. The first one is BNB.BUSD. If you have these 3 coins, then stake the 3 coin. Because this Automata coin is not listed on Binance, this is the best chance to get this coin for free. So stake your BNB, stake your DOT, stake your BUSD. But now I have DOT coin, so I will stake my DOT coin in order to earn free coin. Simply click on stake now. Now here click on stake. Click maximum. Even you can select the amount of coin you want to stake, but I want to stake my maximum coin. Click on stake. Successfully staked DOT. Here you can see my 21 DOT coin is staked. Now I will earn free coin Automata. Simply, if you want unstake your coin, then click on redeem, then you will get your coin back to your spot wallet. But as you can also transfer your rewards to your spot wallet in order to sell your free coin. So this was the today's video. I hope you understand this video and this video might be useful for you. So if you have any question, any confusion, please feel free to ask me in a comment section. So if you like this video, just hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to make money daily with crypto. Click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload any video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.